Hello viewers, so this is nitrogen cycle. Basically this is a working model. So as you can see, but just like water cycle, nitrogen also has a cycle. Water evaporates, condenses, again comes down and the cycle continues. In the same way, nitrogen cycle has 5 steps. So starting with nitrogen fixation. This nitrogen, as you see here, there is a thunderstorm. Lightning is there and rain is falling. During a thunderstorm, the nitrogen and oxygen combines and falls down with rain. It means that it dissolves in the rainwater and falls down to the earth. Again it reacts with the minerals of the soil and it becomes into nitrogen oxides. After that comes the next step, nitrogen assimilation. In this process, the plants absorb the nitrogen from the soil and synthesize them or make them into products like amino acids, proteins and many more. After the plant or the living organism dies, at that time the process of ammonification takes place, as you see here in dead animal. So when during this process the nitrogen compounds like proteins, as I have said before, converts into ammonia, that is called ammonification. Next comes nitrification. The ammonia that is now present in the soil turns into nitrates. This is nitrification. Then comes denitrification, the last process of this whole cycle. In that process, the nitrates again comes back to the atmosphere and now it has become into free atmospheric nitrogen. This concludes the basic structure of nitrogen cycle. And the process continues. Like again it falls as rain and comes down to earth. Again it comes back. It's like forever. Now I am going to explain like how this is made. Starting with the cloud, the most interesting one. So you know that this is cotton. Inside this down there is a container. The container is connected through a pipe to a container below. The container here consists a small submersible pump here. So the pump pulls the water up and it falls into this place where there are holes. This container contains holes and the water comes down. Now how does it occur like this? The soil here is just for covering or for explanation. So that the soil doesn't go to the container and get stuck with the pump, there is a cloth here so that it filters the water. There are holes below this and those holes lead to this small container that is below this container. So what about how is it working? You need electric supply for it. As you see here, there is a connection made here. The pump down is connected with batteries. This is how the water is falling. Next come to the lightning. You can buy these lights online. Even the pump you will find it online. And I have made it around. The lights are rolled or coiled here. The stand is made so that it will look like a cloud. Then comes this container. This area is made specifically to show a water body for the explanation of our nitrogen cycle. The container here is made up of a bottle and it has been cutted off. The top has been cutted off and the below part has been used. Animals, you can see toys. And these are coming back to the point. These are toy animals, as you see. This has been painted. You can see sea creatures here like the seashells, the sand. This shows the land below the water body. And this grass has been made to cover this electrical one so that in front view it wouldn't be odd. And this concludes the whole nitrogen cycle. Please like, subscribe and comment me so that I'll be inspired to make such models like these, and also comment what kind of model I should prepare next.